Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and activate your gift registry on Amazon. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and search for amazon.com, just like that. And once you've done that, make sure that you are logged in into your account, and now just go ahead and hover over accounts and list, and then you can simply go ahead and click on it if you want to. This is where your lists are going to be right here on the left. However, what I prefer to do is just hover over this and then click on find a list or registry right over here. And once you've done that, all you need to do is to activate it, click on gift list right over here, and then you can simply go ahead and select an occasion right over here. For the gift, you can go ahead and enter your name. So for example, let's just say I'm doing it for a wedding. I can write the name right here, the last name right here, and then I can also go ahead and enter the last name of my partner. Click on continue. Simply go ahead and add the address, guest count, date, and then you can continue again. And that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.